What up, YouTube? With the 1983 Honda V45 here, it's filthy, so we gotta pressure wash it, try to get all this, whatever the hell this is, off it. So, alright, let's see if we can get it clean. Alright, I'll look over it a little bit, spray some more. Alright, that looks like about as good as we can get right now. I'm going to put some degreaser on it, let it chill. Let that soak in, then we're going to come back, pressure wash it again. Then we'll see what it looks like. Okay, it's the next day. We let the cleaner sit on it all night. It's looking a lot cleaner. I'm going to pressure wash it one more time, and then I'll be ready to start taking pieces off of it. So let's do one more pressure wash. Alright, let's do it. Alright, we'll let it dry, then we'll start taking some pieces off it. Okay, now that we're dry, we have a couple wires here that have been eaten by rats. Right there, a couple right here. There were some more, but I'll have to fix those. The throttle, totally stuck. Gotta take all this out. We're gonna have to pull these carbs out and totally rebuild the carbs. Once they're out, we'll tape all this off and paint this, clean all this, take these off. We're gonna take this fender off, take these wheels off, clean them, take the brakes off, fix them, lower the front end, and take this back off, rebuild. We're gonna build the whole body for it, but first steps is gonna be taking this back off, getting these carbs out, taking all this handlebars and all that stuff off. So stick with us. It's a lot cleaner, so now I can get all the bolts. Next episode, starting to pull it apart.